Hi guys, so this is for new member registration. This is the screen that you will come to sign up as a new member, register to Esafex. So just put in your email, your preferred email, or the email that you have provided to your accountant or a lawyer. Create a PIN. Make sure that you create a PIN that you remember, because this will be used for security purposes. And then you fill in the password. The password has the rules, so please follow these rules and create your password, and then just click on register, and it will show you that you have to enter OTP. OTP is nothing but to verify your email. So you go to your email and you will receive an OTP, and then you just fill in the OTP there. And once you have filled in the OTP, you verify it, and it will say you have been registered successfully. Now you can just simply log in with your email and your password, and there you go. There could be cases where you may not receive an OTP because the email might have gone into the spam, or the server has blocked the email. If that is the case, then go to contact us, and in the contact us, just fill in this form and with your phone number, and we will help you out. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Esafex.